We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We all like figgy pudding. We all like our figgy pudding. We all like our figgy pudding and all its good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show and to the last day of the Diamine Inkvent Calendar for 2021. So, today's ink is going to be a big bottle, and it is Diamine All the Best. It doesn't show that there's what's in it. Wow, that's a really fancy label. But you can see on the back that there's some shimmer. And it looks to maybe be a purpley ink. Or maybe a red ink with some blue shimmer. I don't know. Let's see. Today's pens will be the Pensive Pens Serendipity with the oval broad nib, and the Moonman T1 with a 14K Yovo full flex nib. Here's our ink swatch that we're going to be doing today. This is Diamine All the Best. It has red undertone main color with like gold sheen and a blue shimmer. This is a very interesting ink. It looks black almost on the screen, but like if I turn up the brightness just a little bit, you can kind of see the pink coming through. Oops, maybe a little too bright. Yeah, you can kind of see the pink with the blue shimmer. Cool. All right. This is our ink swatch that will go to inkswatch.com later on today. Here is our ink splotch. You can tell where I put down the shimmer. Looking pretty cool. And then here's our toilet paper chromatography. I see like a red and then like a light pink right around the edge of that. So that's cool. All right, let's look at some paper review, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear memo book from walmart.com. No feathering. Minor ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. I abbreviated. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Rhodia dot pad. 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Quad 85 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Ayush 100 GSM paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Nemesis 80 GSM. No feathering. Tiny bit of ghosting. I might not use the backside of this paper. Lamy booklet 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. Little bit of feathering into the page, and it bled through. I would not use the backside of this paper. Unison composition book from Target for 50 cents. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber notebook paper. Nice sheen. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. No sheen. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Oxford, one subject, college roll notebook paper. Nice sheen. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead wide rolled notebook paper. You can see the shimmer, but no sheen. It does look like it's trying to feather into the page. And it did bleed through. I would not use the backside of this paper. And last but not least, here is our color for the day. Very nice, very nice. All right. And we are done with the calendar. This is what we got this year. We had Seize the Night, Garland, Ash, Tempest, Harmony, Winter Spice, Candlelight, Raspberry Rose, Storm, Peach Punch, Party Time, Stargazer, Ruby Blues, Red Robin, Nightshade, Vintage Copper, Thunderbolt, Sub-Zero, Festive Joy, Pink Ice, Brandy Snap, Black Ivy, Wonderland, Yuletide, and All the Best. So, let's do a comparison panel for today's ink. I'm not really sure what color this is going to be in, so we're going to look at pinks and reds and maybe even some purples. Okay. Diamine Claret, Califolio Andronople, Noodler's Black Swan and Australian Roses, Diamine Deep Magenta, probably not so much Deep Magenta. Private Reserve Plum, no. Then we get into real pink. Noodler's King Philip Requiem, no. Diamine Raspberry Rose. These look like they could be cousins. Pilot Iroshizuku Yamabudo. Those are all of the pinks that I have. Let's look at some reds. Kaveco Ruby Red. Alexa, stop. I don't really see very many reds that even fall into this. Oh, here we go. Maybe Monteverde Blueberry Muffin, Ferris Wheel Press Royal Rhubarb, KWZ Red Number 1, Monteverde Passion Burgundy, Monteverde Cherry Danish, Diamine Oxblood, Colorverse Hubble Zoom, Diamine Little Tam, Colorverse Dark Energy, Pure Pens Codwalder, Noodler's Black Swan and English Roses, Sailor Manyo Umi, Robert Oster, Aster Kieserot, and Diamine Deep Dark Red. Okay, I want to look at some purples too, because there's one in particular that I think that this would look most like. It wasn't in that category, so see if I can find it. I swear I have a... Aha. Kiwi Ink's Hippo Noto X version 1. Now this is purple with gold sheen and blue shimmer. I thought these would be similar, but they're not. And then this is Diamine Little Bob. They are very similar. Califolio, I'm sorry, Lamy Violet, Lamy Dark, Fake Lamy Dark Lilac, Lamy Dark Lilac, Mombado's Hat, Diamine Harmony, no. And that's all of the purples. Well, that's very interesting. What did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a reddish, purpley ink with some gold sheen and some red shimmer? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all, so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all. Until that, we will say goodnight. Love you, bye.